Hi, my name's Ray Henson from eXp Realty. Just wanted to let you know we're getting ready to list our house tomorrow, and wanted to show you through the house and tell you a little something about it. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. It's 1,686 square feet, and we do have a pool. So come on with me and I'll show you around the house. So I thought I'd start upstairs with you. This is the front bedroom. We have nice Hunter Douglas vinyl shutters throughout the house. We did put in new floors throughout the house, except for the master bedroom. We'll see that in a second. And we did add some nice sized baseboards to the house. This is our upstairs landing. This is the hallway upstairs bathroom. You can see we put some nice new granite in there. Each bathroom has new granite. The kitchen has new granite. Painted the cabinets. We'll come back to the master bedroom in a minute. This is our second upstairs middle bedroom. You can see we still have the same floors and baseboards and shutters. Got a closet in here too. And we'll head into the master bedroom. And we are selling the bed there, so if you like that one and are in the market for a half-teaster bed, let me know. There's a closet in the master. And then this is our master bathroom. You can see here, we also have a closet here. Walk-in closet with a couple cabinets in there. So I'll take you downstairs next. Okay, now we're walking in the entry into the living room. Then that's the dining room ahead of us. To the left here is this is what I've used as my office for the last 3 years or so. Could also be a bedroom. You see there's a closet there. And then right next to it, this is our downstairs bathroom. It's a full bathroom. It's got a shower. Again, the newer granite. There's stairwell. Oh, this is a nice closet here. Room for a lot of storage in there. Oop, somebody better oil that hinge there. Anyway, this is where we had our dining room. And then this is the other side of you can see the living room area. And this is our family room. About 3 years ago now, we installed those 2 sets of cabinets, the mantle, did the stonework around the fireplace, put some crown molding. It's our backyard, our back patio, the laundry room. Then we have a little pantry. And here's our kitchen. Refrigerator will come with the house if you need one. The stove and the microwave are brand new. Dishwasher's a little older, but not too much older. Nice feature we did here is we added all those upper cabinets around the kitchen. And they don't look real big, but I can tell you we stored a lot of like our Christmas dishes and our china up there, and it really does store a lot of stuff. It's very useful. I'll show you our backyard. We have a nice covered patio here. We have the fan. Spent a lot of evenings out here, maybe having a glass of wine, having some friends over. We've even done a little bit of smoking out here. Here's our pool. The pool was just plastered a couple years ago. New tile work 2 years ago. The equipment over there, the filtration system's about 2 years old. The heater is just brand new. We just put that in. Then we come over here, and nice area for having a garden. We have a Myers lemon growing over there in the corner. We have some tomatoes, cucumbers, hot peppers, eggplants, a few different kinds of herbs. But it's a nice little area on the side of the house. You know, Elk Grove, you don't see a lot of bigger yards, and this is, I think we have about 0.2 acres here, so it's a nice size. And finally, this is the grass area of our backyard. It is big enough to play a little cornhole out here. We've done that a few times. And then we had this shed built, I don't know, probably about 3 years ago. Show you inside. It's a little messy in there, but try not to judge too much. You can see it's a 10 by 12 shed. We have a workbench in there. It's a very nice size. Stored a lot of stuff in here. Have all my medals from running and playing pickleball. Those don't come with the house. You're gonna have to earn those on your own. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you like the house and you want to see it, we're gonna have an open house on Saturday from 1 to 4 and on Sunday 10 to 1. And I'd love to see you, or just give me a call and I'd be happy to show you the house. Thanks. Bye.